Yo guys, welcome to this channel. I tried to uninstall a program from my computer, so I went to control panel and I opened control panel. So when control panel opened, I went to programs and then I went to programs on features, and then I selected the antivirus software that I wanted to uninstall because the free version had expired, so I wanted to uninstall it away, but it didn't work out. Like, I could try to uninstall it in vain. So basically I tried it like several times and things could not work out. So this is what I decided to do. I decided to open Chrome and search for IOBit uninstaller, and when it opened I clicked on the official download link from the website. So when this window opened for me, I decided to click on free download. So when I clicked on free download, the software started downloading. So I waited for it to actually download and complete so that I can install it in my computer. So when it actually got done, I had to open it. So when I clicked on the downloaded file, this window opened, and then I had to click on install so that the uninstaller can start installing. I actually skipped this, and then I clicked on no thanks. So actually when it finished installing, I had to launch the app, and then I gave it some time to list all the softwares in my computer because it was not yet listing all of it, so I gave it some time. So at last actually it listed it. You can see it there. So I had to actually select on the app that I wanted to uninstall, and then I clicked on that button. So when this window actually displayed for me, I continued and confirmed on the uninstall button, and then the process started. So actually the process of uninstalling this very software took some time, so I decided to skip it for the purpose of this video not to take long. So this is actually when it got done, and then it started deleting leftover files, so I had to wait until it all got done. And then finally everything was uninstalled, and that's how I got rid of that particular software. So guys, this is how I did it, and I decided to share this video with you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.